this is the fifth question of LeetCode 75. So the question is reverse vowels of a string. The problem statement of this question is very simple. We're having a string s. As we all know, we can represent a string as a form of an array. We can access each and element of a string as a character as of we are accessing from an array. So we just need to reverse the locations of the vowels in the reverse order. For example, we have given HELLO, then we just need to check whether it is having vowels or not, and we just need to reverse their order and return another new string HOLLE such that all the vowels locations are reversed in the reversal order. So that is the problem statement of this question, and solution is quite simple. So we just need to check. I have created a function such that we'll be check. We have given both lower and upper cases, so we just need to check the character of each the character of the single character of the string, whether that is a vowel or not, and we just need to return a true or false such that we can fastly check in the main code. So in the main code, we just need in main logic, what we're doing is that I'm using a two pointer logic such that I have initializing two variables to point over the string, one at the ending I and j at the one at the starting and one at the ending. So this type of solution is a two pointer solution, and I am checking that I am iterating towards I from I is less than or equals to j, because we'll be checking in the next question, the following why is that the condition is true. So I'm checking that whether the element at ith index in string, whether the element in the string is a vowel from the above defined function. If that is a vowel, then we will be iterating j from the backwards. This I from the starting and j from the backwards will by decreasing j minus minus. We will be checking jth index from the backwards where that is a vowel. And if we got I and j, then we will be just swapping the I and j. So that's it. So if we got the I and j, we just need to swap s of I and s of j. And after swapping, we again increase I plus plus for the checking for the next one, and after we will be decreasing j minus minus as we already got the particular element to be reversal. And this is the simple solution of the two pointer way of this problem, and the code for this is the same I have discussed it. I have created a boolean function for the check where vowel. He has given both upper cases and lower cases, so that I have checked for each character. So the capital upper A-E-I-O-U and the lowercase A-E-I-O-U's, and I've written true if that's a true, and then written false if that's false. And as I have used two pointers, so I have initialized I to the 0th index and j to the last s dot length, the last thing of the string. So I have initialized a loop such that I is less than or equals to j. Yeah, if I is greater than j, then we are not able to swap, and that's the problem with the I and j. So till I is less than j or I is equals to j, that loop will be existing, and then it will be failing. We don't need to even check after that thing. So if check where vowel s of I, I am checking the ith index of a string. If that is a vowel, then I will be iterating from j from the back, ending while decreasing j by j minus minus. And after I got I and j, I will be swapping s of I and s of j, and again I have increased I plus plus and j minus minus. And if that is not the case, if check variable returning is a false, then we don't need to swap anything, and we just need to make sure the things as it is, and we just need to check for the next thing, right? So I have increased I plus plus, and after this loop is ended, I have returned string s. So that's the code. I have initialized a boolean function, and I have checked for each index from the starting, and I have found the index from the ending. And if I found both the starting index and the ending index, I have swapped the both and I have run this iteration from the starting till end, and then after this iteration is over, I've written in that particular same string after the changes as a new string. So I found submitted this thing, and I've got around 96.92% of means 96.92 users of C++, 3 millisecond of